In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make flowcharts in PowerPoint. By the end, you'll know how to start from a clean slide, open the right tool, pick a design that fits your process, and fine-tune it so it looks clear and professional. Begin by opening your web browser and searching for Microsoft PowerPoint. Head to the official PowerPoint site and sign in to your account. Logging in ensures your presentation saves automatically and lets you access it from anywhere. Once you're in, choose to create a blank presentation so you're working with a fresh canvas. If a title slide appears, you can keep it or add a new slide later for your flowchart, but a blank slide is usually the cleanest starting point. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. This is where PowerPoint keeps all the building blocks you can add to a slide. Select Smart Art. Smart Art is a built-in gallery of visual layouts that make it easy to turn text into clean diagrams without drawing everything by hand. In the Smart Art window, look to the categories on the left. For flowcharts, the process category is a great place to start. Scroll through the options and preview different layouts to see what matches your content. Choose something simple if you're mapping a straightforward sequence of steps, or pick a layout with more structure if you need to group information. As you scroll, notice how each layout shows a short description and a visual preview, which helps you understand how your text will appear. You can switch categories on the left at any time to explore more styles. For example, if your information is cyclical, a cycle layout might communicate it better. Keep scrolling and clicking until you find a style that suits your goal and the amount of text you have. When you've found the one you like, click it to select it. After you insert the smart arts, click inside the placeholders and start typing your steps. Use the text pane on the side, if it appears, to add, remove, or reorder items quickly. If you need an extra step, press enter in the text pane to create another shape. You can also drag shapes to rearrange them visually. For a polished look, try change colors to match your theme, and apply a smart art style for subtle shading or 3D effects. Keep labels short and consistent so the flow is easy to follow, and make sure there's enough space between shapes to avoid clutter. That's it. Your flowchart is ready to present, share, or build on as your process evolves.